We had asphalt shingles here before. The customer had a leak during some rainstorms, so we came out, provided some options, and we decided to go with the Cedar shingles because it was aesthetically pleasing for our customer. For a specialty project such as this, we always use specific craftsmen who are trained specifically in this one area. Generally, that's what we do with most specialty projects, so that we know that we're getting the highest level of quality in that job. Yeah, the Cedar shakes I think are definitely a great look aesthetically, especially on this project here, specifically because this is a very historic home. I think it brings out a lot of character. So at the peak of this roof, we've installed a 16-ounce copper ridge cap. Copper always goes well with cedar. One of the main things that the copper provides for the cedar roof is it prevents against any growth, having to do with moss or algae stuff. And we also replaced the asphalt shingle roof on the small shed behind me, also installing cedar shakes on that as well.